Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So the topic for tonight is how we started trading the forex market. So as you can see with my friends now, they're still smoking. So I'll ask them a question in a moment. So I just want to tell you guys how I started trading the forex market. So Lesiba introduced me to the forex market. I didn't know anything about the forex market. It was back then in 2017. It was in 2017 when he showed me the forex market, showed me how to trade. So now I can trade on my own now, but he's the one that made me, or he's the one that showed me how we trade. At first I didn't believe that forex market is true, but he showed me as time goes by. Then I understood. Then I started trading the forex market. So now I'm gonna ask some of the guys the questions how they started. So guys, now I'm going to ask Lesiba how he started trading the forex market. Lesiba, can you tell us that?
Okay, no, that's a very good question that you are asking us. Botshelo, it means a lot to actually be on your channel, speaking the value that I do get to share with the members out there. I hope that your audience are really gonna, enjoy what it is that we have to share. Not only that, I just hope that, some of the members that are watching this can be able to just hit the subscribe button just so, they can see the growth that we're implementing. But, let me not speak a bit more about that, let's speak a bit more about, how I actually started trading Forex. Back in 2017, I actually learned about the Forex market. I had people saying that they can make money off the internet, and to me it was like close to impossible, because to make money you have to go out there, work at a physical place, and you have to work hard to even get to make a specific amount of money to be able to make a living. So that was close to impossible for me. I was still in college, but I was like, how about just give this thing a try, because even on social media I was seeing youngsters my age being able to to make a living for themselves. So I was like, I'll actually do one that for myself too. Why not implement some of these things? As long as one person can do it, I can do it too. There's no difference between us. So that's when I started learning about Forex. 2017 at the beginning, like around April, I learned about it. I went there, got a few knowledge, information, and so on. Research. My first trading account was literally $22, which is equivalent to 300 rands. And afterwards, obviously I did get to blow that account. I didn't make money for a few months down the line, but there was something down the line that actually happened. Me being able to make some of the profits, even though I was losing most, but I was making some. It made me see that it's actually possible to make a living off of this. That's when I went to focus more on getting the knowledge. But the most important thing on how I actually started to trade Forex was when I heard people talk about it, when I saw people making a living out of it, and then I decided for myself that I am going to be implementing some of that. And I saw a lot of young black people, because where I come from, to be successful, to be rich, you have to either sell illegal stuff, you have to either do bad things or harm people, or you have to run a business that's not legit. So seeing people making money off the internet in a legit way was something that I actually wanted. So that's how I got into it. But I'm glad that you actually did ask me this question. Obviously, it's Lesiba Mutupi here. Always dropping value whenever I talk. I make sure that I leave someone with something that they can be able to think about. Make sure that you do check out my YouTube channel, Lesiba Mutupi, and whenever you feel like you've got a question, you can ask me more questions, because I'll be excited to answer these questions that you have.
Thank you very much. So now it's over to Ofentse. Ofentse, can you tell us how you started trading the forex market?
Thank you, Botshelo, for having me on your channel. I'm very delighted and appreciate. And I like to say, guys, we all want to make money. We all want to take care of our families. How I started forex trading, it was back in 2017, and at that point in time, the money that I would make will eventually go back into the market. It was more like of a gamble, because the mistake that I made is not getting the knowledge first. I was after the money. Then once I managed to be able to master my psychology, that's when I was consistent, and that's when I decided that I would like to offer a course to the rest of the world so that I can assist members. Basically, in short, what I would say is that how I met Lesiba is that we managed to look for the same knowledge. You understand? So by getting the same knowledge, that's how we were able to click. And then he introduced me to Ofense and Butelo. He said, we're not leaving anyone behind. You understand? We are here to kill poverty. We're taking all our friends with. We're going to introduce them to this forex trading. So basically, no one was born knowing forex trading. The internet is the mother of information. So basically, in short, you have to understand that you being on social media, don't use social media to take much of your time, which doesn't uplift your life. You understand? Use social media to be able to understand there is money to be made out there. It's possible to make money online. It's possible to sustain your life with forex trading. It's possible to make it a career. We have members which have made it a career and they've quit their jobs. Forex trading is their full-time job now. They can work from home, they can work from anywhere, they can work while traveling. Basically, we did encounter challenges. We blew many accounts, and we're not gonna lie to you, before you can be a professional trader, there's a certain obstacle you have to overcome. You have to program your mind and understand that this is not just a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to understand that you're not gonna get in and not face challenges. A profitable business has obstacles that come their way, you understand? So once we managed to sit while we were trading individually, we decided that, okay guys, let's come as a group. Since we are friends, let's work together, empower each other. The mistakes that one makes, we are able to identify them, because you have to understand that sometimes trading alone tend to make you have big-headed, like you force setups to go your way. You understand? You can see a short position on a certain pair, I can see a long position. So by compiling the analysis that we'll have, we'll meet on weekly basis, sometimes day in, day out, trying to master our craft. Once we manage to master our craft, that's when we manage to boom and be able to make life from this forex trading. So basically, I believe if we could make it, you can make it as well. You are a winner, you're born to win, you are destined for success. And it's your boy Ofense Ledoa. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for having me on your channel, Butelo Sello. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So now is Rex done did it. I'm going to ask him how he started trading the forex market.
Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Rex Dandirit. Thank you Butelo for welcoming me to your YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. It's a great opportunity. So I actually started trading forex 2 years ago. I started trading forex 2 years ago, and I was introduced by Lisiba to the forex industry. And back then I didn't take forex that serious. So this year during the lockdown, I gave myself a task that I'm gonna invest more in forex, because when I started trading, I was blowing accounts and I was not well equipped for the forex industry. So this year during the lockdown, I invested time, watched videos, get information, and that's when I started seeing an improvement. You understand? So ever since the lockdown, I've been coming along well. I can make profits now, even though I have losses, but I can still make, like my losses are lesser than my wins. I have more wins than losses. You understand what I'm saying? So I'd like to say it was the right choice for me to invest in the forex industry, because I was too busy. I was making music back then. So since, well, like there's no more gigs and events, so I thought to myself, like, why don't I give forex a try? And that was the best decision I've made so far, and I don't regret anything, and I'm still learning even now, day by day. You can see, as we are friends of four, like we advise each other. Wherever I make mistakes, Ofense can help me, Stizy can help me, Butelo can help me, so I'm not alone. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, we can mentor each other, because all of us are not perfect. We learn from each other every time. Understand? As we are chilling now, after chilling here, we're gonna analyze the market, getting ready for Monday, for a productive week. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. There's gonna be more videos coming. You can comment down and ask anything you want to know. We have all the information you might be looking for. Maybe the information we have can change your life or change somebody's life. So don't forget to share and subscribe. It's gonna be a great year, guys. I know COVID took more of our time, but we still have time to win. It's now or never, guys. Thank you so much for welcoming me to your YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you, Ofente. So, guys, any last words you want to say to our viewers? Lisiba?
Oh yeah, you know, I've got, you know, a lot of last words that I can share with members out there, but because of time and everything, you know, I think that I should just keep it, you know, specific. But, you know, something that I would say is that, you know, people shouldn't, you know, rush the process, you know, because we just spoke about how we started to trade Forex, and a lot of people are seeing us, you know, speaking about, you know, like my brother here, just a few days ago, he spoke about, you know, how he closed over $2,000 in just a single day. We've got videos on how we made over thousands of dollars in just a single day. That shouldn't be, you know, something that pushes you or puts you under pressure. It should be something that does actually instead motivate you. You know, it should be, you know, showing you that it's really possible to make something for yourself. You know, it should show you that, like, you know, you can start with literally not knowing anything, knowing how it works, to becoming something great, or to becoming a person that is responsible, taking care of business, taking care of family, and making sure that things are okay. So the last words that I'm saying here is that don't let the internet rush you, or don't let anyone out there tell you that it's not possible. Anything that you put into your mind, anything that you can see, that you can feel in your heart, you can literally have in your hands. And I will pass it on to my brother right here next to me, Ofentsele Dwaba.
Yo, my last words will just be saying, if we didn't give up, why should you give up?
True.
We faced challenges, we faced losses. There was a point whereby literally we had nothing. We blew all our accounts, but then we decided to come back into the market and be able to master the strategy. So basically, what I'm saying, in short, if you can achieve it, you can also achieve it this way. You have dreams and goals that you believe in. You have your dream car, which you look at, which you have your screen wallpaper or your laptop wallpaper that you look at on a daily basis. You have the house that you want to live in. You have the lifestyle that you want to live, traveling, touring the whole world. So that kind of lifestyle, we dreamed it, and with the Forex trading, it allows us to have that freedom. We are able to spend much time with our families. We are able to work and be able to have playtime as well. So there's never playtime without work time, you understand? Because what we believe is that fun is sponsored by the work that you put in, you understand? So basically, in short, how we manage that to be able to work smart now, we used to not sleep, spend days, sleepless nights on the market, trading 24/7, not sleeping. But then at the moment we do practice a strategy that we are able to trade and put our trades and be able to go and chill in the park, or each one of us get to spend time with our loved ones. So basically, the secret here is don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Thank you very much, Botshello Sello. Ofentsele Dwaba. It's Ofe_05 on Instagram, my YouTube channel, Ofentsele Dwaba. Please stay tuned, like and subscribe to our channels for more Forex content.
Okay, thank you very much. So, Rex did that. Do you want to say anything, or
Yes.
you're okay now?
Yes, I'd like to add to what Ofente said.
Yeah?
Please, guys, don't give up, because everything starts somewhere. You giving up now might haunt you in the next 5 years. So focus on your dreams, guys. Don't work under pressure. Get the knowledge that you need. Make sure, even if it's for 5 months, you get the knowledge that you need. You need to develop a billionaire mindset. You understand? Because positive energy is the best thing ever. Because if you have a negative energy that why am I not winning? Why am I not? You won't make it. So guys, thank you for welcoming to your channel. Have a great day.
Thank you.